Organic ranking on Amazon holds significant value for sellers as it determines the position of product in search results without any paid promotions or advertisement. This means that achieving a high organic ranking can greatly enhance the product's visibility, credibility, and sales. Organic ranking helps your product appear higher in search results, making it more visible to potential customers. It's a cost-effective way to promote your product on Amazon, requiring no advertising spend. All Amazon sellers want to rank their products organically on Amazon. We often get customers come to us and say, hey, I want to rank my product on Amazon. And I already tried so many things but ended up with high spending. Then we review their products and accounts with great care and share our approaches and lead them to success. This is your host, Anis, Senior Advertising Manager at Ecomclips. In today's video, I will share how we approached one of our customer and his Amazon product to get ranked organically in the best possible ways and the result we achieved. Let's get started and stay with us till the end. Here is our listing launched around early February 2023 under the home and kitchen category. Our goal was to rank this product organically for maximum keywords and get BSR below 25. Let me share the strategies that we had taken to hit the goal. Content optimization. We did in-depth research on the product first and top competitors' listings in that category. We came up with multiple suggestions to improve the content. For example, well-optimized product title with good keywords, multiple images with white backgrounds, well-optimized bullet points that describe the product briefly, and premium A+ content as well. Research keywords. After optimizing the content fully, we started researching keywords for advertisement. We used keyword research tools, Helium 10 and Jungle Scout for this. We picked the top 30 keywords that have good search volume with high relevancy to our products. Then we created an exact match type sponsored product campaign with those keywords and started optimizing it. Tracking keywords performance. We prepared a sheet where we started tracking keywords performance twice a week. Gradually, we started getting both sponsored and organic ranks for targeted keywords. We started analyzing that data and optimizing the advertising according to the result. For example, when we noticed any keyword that got an organic rank on the first page on Amazon, we simply reduced sponsored bids for that keyword and minimizing the advertising spend. On the other hand, we pushed more for those keywords in PPC that couldn't get organic rank yet. This way, we were updating the sheet and optimizing the PPC ads. Okay, let's talk now about our achievements. Page 1. We started getting sales from the first week with around 48% echoes. We got an average of 35% impression share in the first week. Our CTR was up to 0.82% at the beginning. We got the number 1 in new release badge under the Chef's Plan category. Page 2. When we started getting organic ranking gradually, we started minimizing the advertising spending and reduced the CPC from 0.89 to below 0.50. We also reduced echoes by 50% within 30 days. Our CTR had increased to 1.8% in 30 days. Our ROS had improved from 2 up to 4. Most importantly, we hit the BSR below 20 within 1 month and now it's below 15. For your information, we achieved all of this success within 2 months of launching the product. How cool is that? I think pretty cool. Not only this, but we also have so many success stories with our clients. If you want to hear those, please let us know in the comment section. Also, do you want to become a part of our success journey? If yes, please feel free to email us at info@ecomclips.com and share your business goal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep in touch with us. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.